Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to chat with friends on Roblox. So first of all, you have to open up your App Store application. On your App Store application, you have to search for Roblox and then make sure that your Roblox application is up to date and there are no updates available. After you have made that sure, you have to open up your Roblox application. In your Roblox application, you will see all types of games and options. So now what you have to do is that you have to tap on the party option that is present on the bottom right side of your screen. Now in the party, you will see all of your chats that you have made on Roblox. Now to start a new chat with someone, you have to click on the plus icon that is present at the top right side of your screen. Now you will see a lot of suggested friends over here. So if you want to start a chat with someone from here, you simply have to tap on them and click on create that is present at the top right corner of your screen. But if your friend is not visible over here, you can very easily search for their name by typing in their username. After that, you have to select them and click on create. Once you do that, as you can see, I am now redirected to a chat with that friend. So now I can very easily message them anything that I want and start a conversation. So everyone, that's how you can chat with your friends on Roblox. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.